All right, so let's continue with our movie here. So we have now adjusted the volume to a volume that we like. So we can play it and see what we think. Now, you may notice that your music is much longer than your video or vice versa. So you can just trim your music here. One other effect I really like is you can fade your music out. So see how these two arrows are here? And as you bring that over, it starts to fade the music out. If you have titles at the back, that's a great way to finish off your video as well. So now you've got your video, you've added titles, transitions, and music, and you've got it how you like it. So now we need to actually upload it. So you would click back to projects and it allows you to put a video. Please, please, please make sure your name is in the video for me. It makes it so much easier. So Miss Weese's Tabata, and click OK. So now when you're back at this screen, you want to share your project. So you can create a file, and what will happen is it will ask you to click next, and then it will load for a while. So it'll save it on your computer. Once it's saved on your computer, you could upload it to your drive. So you know it's saving by this little circular piece here. It will tell you how long, it will tell you what else is necessary. If you look, it's already a quarter downloaded. And in the next video, I'll show you how to upload it to Drive. Oh, maybe I will in this video. That was super fast. So it has downloaded it now to my screen. So on mine, my movies download here, and you can see Miss Weese's Tabata is there. So if I click on it, I can press this square with the arrow. And as soon as I do that, it will allow me to upload it to my drive, and that's where I want it to go. So you have to make sure that it's clicked on Drive at some point here. If not, there's another action you can do. So you can minimize it, go into your drive, and find a section of your drive that you'd like. Make sure that this is smaller. Oops. So you don't want it the whole screen, you just want it a little bit smaller. And then you can actually drag the thing into your drive. So here's my drive. I'm minimizing it so it's not the whole screen. Here's my video, and I'm gonna drag it over and release, and it will start to upload into my drive. So if you know it's uploading because it starts to upload here. It might take a few minutes to completely download, and then you can just share it to me like you do your normal videos or assignments. So great way to use iMovie in order to professionally finish up your Tabata video.